to right choose.
Top 8 Best Wood Chipper in 2024.
Top 1.
C40 Wood Chipper 4-inch max diameter capacity 9 HP 274 cubic centimeters gas-powered engine heavy-duty shredder Mulcher. Stronger 9 HP engine, equipped with a robust 9 HP 274 cubic centimeters heavy-duty engine. The F-Cut C40 wood chipper gas-powered ensures faster wood chipping, efficiently shredding more piles of branches in less time, quickly getting your job done. 4-inch max capacity, with a 15.9 larger flywheel than other brands, and longer blades crafted entirely from high-speed steel, this wood chipper shredder gas-powered, shreds thicker wood up to 4-inch diameter faster and cuts more branches at once. Less downtime, more efficiency. Mulch made easy. This wood chipper shredder mulcher easily transforms wood waste into valuable mulch with a 15:1 reduction ratio, effortlessly reducing 15 piles to 1. Simplify the disposal of your sticks, brushes, branches, and other garden debris.
Top 2.
Patriot Products CSV 2515 Electric Wood Chipper Leaf Shredder. Purchase Patriot's red and white striped electric cord now and extend your chipper's warranty 1 year. The quiet, smooth, maintenance-free electric motor starts with just the flip of a switch. Easily shred mountains of leaves by sliding them into the large hopper on the top of the unit. The Patriot will make coin-sized chips out of branches up to 2.5 inches in diameter. All processed material will discharge out the side of the machine into the standard collection bag.
Top 3.
6-inch 420 cubic centimeters 14 HP electric start wood chipper shredder mulcher with tow hitch gas-powered BNS engine EPA certified, BNS engine, electric start. Performance: this wood chipper shredder can process up to 6 in diameter branches, limbs, and garden debris, capable of high volume chipping/shredding. Powerful: this wood chipper has a powerful electric starting 4-stroke single-cylinder EPA certificate BNS gas engine, producing 14 HP power output, for easily and safely chipping up to 6 in wood branches. Unique design, built to make chipping wood simple, safe, easy and efficiency. This self-feeding wood chipper features easy to move around, easily replaceable blades, rotatable adjustable discharge chute to deliver accurate debris, emergency stop button feeding chute safety cover and extender solid structure, and low center of gravity.
Top 4.
Super handy wood chipper shredder mulcher ultra heavy duty 7 HP 3-in-1 multifunction 3-inch max capacity. Multifunction capability: this 3-in-1 wood chipper shredder mulcher design has a reduction ratio of 15:1 when using the top hopper for 1/2 max volume chipping/shredding, side chute for 3 max branch/limbs, or the attachable leaf vacuum for mulching. Unique design: the slanted housing design reduces jams. Unlike other chippers, hook up your ATV, lawnmower/small tractor, for easy transportation with the tow bar kit and use the vacuum inlet for easy leaf mulching with the vacuum kit, both sold separately. Powerful: this chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 HP horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine, handles up to 3 diameter wood without a problem. Fuel W/87 plus unleaded gasoline, no ethanol recommended. 0.7 gallons max capacity.
Top 5.
Titan Attachments 3-point PTO driven 4x10 wood chipper shredder mulcher, adjustable exit chute, up to 40 HP, 25 rotor, easy to mount, accepts entire trees. Oversized rotor with reversible blades. This high-power wood chipper is equipped with integrated air vents for efficient operation. Additionally, the machine also has twig breaker paddles on oversized rotors so that wood and twigs will not clog the blades or shaft. This chipper can process wood pieces up to 4 inches in diameter, creating manageable chips and pellets, eliminating roadblocks in your work. Easy transportation and operation, integrated with a tractor's 3-point hitch system and PTO for easy transport and operation. This feature eliminates the need for additional attachments and motors, making any job you take on that much easier. Additionally, the implement is equipped with hinges on the detachable feed chute for compact storage and transport. It also comes with a PTO shaft.
Top 6.
Super handy wood chipper shredder mulcher 7 HP engine heavy duty compact rotor assembly design 3-inch max capacity aids in fire prevention and building fire breaks. Efficient performance, efficient mini wood chipper shredder mulcher with 15:1 reduction ratio. Large extended feeding chute handles up to 3 max branches, limbs, and debris for high volume chipping, shredding and mulching. Unique design, compact and light steel chipper with vertical extended discharge chute and adjustable discharge guide for precise debris discharge, angle range, 90°-135 degree. Powerful. This chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 HP horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine, handles up to 3 diameter wood without a problem, fuel W/87 plus unleaded gasoline, no ethanol recommended, 0.7 gallons max capacity. Top 7. Great Circle USA wood chipper shredder mulcher heavy duty gas powered 3-in-1 multifunction 3-inch max wood diameter capacity EPA/CARB certified aids in fire prevention, building a multifunction capability. This 3-in-1 wood chipper shredder mulcher design has a reduction ratio of 15:1 when using the top hopper for 1/2 max volume, chipping/shredding, side chute for 3 max branch/limbs, or the attachable leaf vacuum for mulching. Professional design with CR12 MOV cutting blades. Powerful. This chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 HP horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine, handles up to 3 diameter wood without a problem, fuel W/87 plus unleaded gasoline, no ethanol recommended, 0.7 gallons max capacity. Top 8. Patriot Products CSV 3090H 9 HP OHV Honda GX gas-powered wood chipper. Easily shred mountains of leaves by sliding them into the large hopper on the top of the unit. Run branches up to 3 inches in diameter down the funnel-shaped cone to create coin-sized chips. Processed material will be discharged up to 5 feet from the machine or into the STD collection bag. Powered by the strong, quiet, and easy starting Honda GX engine. The large diameter wheels and convenient built-in handle make it easy to move and store.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.